So today's the day that we're gonna cut off the roof, so yeah, kind of interesting. Wow.
You got a lot off, huh?
Salam TV crew! We just got to the side shop and look at this. They already peel some of the wrapping. This is original color. If you didn't follow us from the beginning of our DIYs 4 years ago, this is original color of Tubi. We did DIY ourselves, but it's like luckily it's peeling off pretty good. And Mark told me that, yeah, that is Tubi's skin now. Okay, this is like Sahid storage area, so we asked him that we can use this, so we got the place to put our stuff. This is wood from our car, and this is kind of recycled kitchen areas. We want to use the our roof box to put our some stuff in it. So Mark modified it and used a recycled kitchen furniture, so we can put more stuff. It's not organized well, so Mark will take a charge of it. Today our job is take down the roof up on the front area, front seat, and then peel off the rest of the vinyl. Let's do it.
The roof will take maybe 7 other centimeters because of this, the frame and the
378
other things.
378 شحال فيه وسط
لا هي هذيك هنا 378
واش عبرتي من هنا
والطلاق ضرب يزيد فيها صاحبي واحد لا
يقولوا لك هادو غير شافونا
لا يلا يديك
صافي
هذه لا يسخر.
They are discussing how the roof will be. Oh, I actually just took up the light. I think they just finished conversations. I couldn't understand because they're mixing the languages, so maybe Eamon will translate later. But yeah, they are saying that how it works, you know, how it will be done. They're discussing. That's what I can feel. Yeah.
Got it.
Is that it?
Yep.
Guys, we went back home and ate lunch and came back here. When we were gone, they swept the floors. It's like really clean. You guys can see everything's empty right now. It's gone, just quickly gone. Guys, we took down the side door panel and then back door panel, and then we took the wrapping a little bit left, but it's not that much. So like we are ready. Roof, we still need to discuss with the Mohammed and Sahid. They are gonna look through details about the Tubi's roof more, and then Yeah, we have to see that like they're gonna use the original roof or they're gonna build a new one, and then this might be partially welded here or rivet. So further things planning, we'll talk tomorrow more. We just started the roof right now, so Mohammed's drilling the roof. So this is what is going on. Our GoPro is over there and this side is inside of the car. So today is the day that we're gonna cut off the roof, so yeah, kind of interesting. Guys, I can see the hole in Tubi is slowly coming out. This noise is from the hammering. Mohammed is like hammering on the roof, like he put the holes in it and then hammering, and it's just like the things like glue, not glue it or somehow like it fold it together. It's coming up right now. Man. It is really interesting to see that how the roof is like lifting. Mohammed was hammering here and you can see the metal piece in there. So it's like, yeah, roof has a gap right now. Yeah, I never thought that like, you know, TV roof will be like this attached like that. But yeah, it's interesting to see. So right now Sahid is inside. He's taking off the our AC. I think you never seen that one before. If you guys watch our van build video 4 years ago, maybe you saw it. And we tried to get rid of that AC. That AC is not for the front, that is for the back. You know, since we like make the backside as the bed area, we decided not to use it and cover it up. And then 4 years ago, we tried to just attach one, the AC, but we failed it. There's so much complication in there. There's the like wires we have to disattach it, and like there's a pipeline we have to like rerouting inside, but we are not experts, so we gave up and we decided to cover it up with the fabric. So this time when we do high roof, we have Sahid, so I asked him to disattach it, and he said that he's gonna make the pipeline to going through the Tubi sidewall, and he just disattached it. Oh my god! I just took less than 2 minutes, and it's, yeah, it went down. Yeah, expert is different. Time to move on the AC to the chairs. They explained yesterday to us that when they do the high roof, they are gonna do welding, and the metal part could fall down on the chair and then bond a little bit. So they wanna like get rid of it. They wanna like pick the chair out so that, you know, like chair will not get damaged. So Syed is doing the you know, taking out the chairs. I have to put the warning signs that like the noise will be extreme, because right now it's like we are really doing the constructions. We are not. I mean, like they are. So yeah, man, it's so quick. just finish the backside a little bit, and then they move on to the front. You can see that the wow, crazy. Just took on the roof. It looks like a paper. You know, we know that the Tubi roof is so weak, like kind of paper looking, like blah, 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 like that. But oh my god, yeah, seeing that one is cool. Man, it's like open right now. I want to see it. Guys, it is the Tubi right now. It's so weird. I keep saying weird. Back frame remain, front frame remain. Absolutely, we caught until right after the AC. You can see Mohammed is up there. Wow. Okay, here is like the roof. Tubi's roof, really flexible one. So they drilled it here. You can see now, and then you know, like just it's not welded all the way. So you just like he put the metal stick and then you know hammer it. And then cut the front and back and then lift it. Simple, huh? Guys, TV's roof is going. Can you guys see? Yay! So they cut it and then they are gonna build a roof. But yeah, can you imagine? Like so weird that like it's a TV I can stand right now. Yeah, I am so excited. I cannot wait to see the finished version. I know you guys kind of like curious too. You cannot wait to, but it's a real building right now. So I think yeah, just we need to be a little bit patient. But I cannot wait. Look at that. What they're doing this one, I saw that they carry this one.
Yeah, they're gonna use this for the frame. This is kind of L-beam. So this, let me just put this down. This will go into this area here. So this will attach to
Here.
Tubi's main body. And they'll build the frame off this.
Okay.
That's pretty strong stuff. Stronger than
Are you excited?
our tin can roof.
My honey doesn't know how to do the camera, be in front of the camera. You put your face like right there, right there. Anyways, excited about the everything right now, right?
Super excited.
So yeah, it's exciting to see it. And before we finish the video, I want to say thank you to Patreon members, TV Cruise, and without you guys' support, it would be hard to, you know, make this, you know, project. So thank you for supporting us, and thank you for watching our video. If you haven't clicked the like, please click the like and then share the video, and then see you next episode. Actually, see you tomorrow. Bye! Pasalama!